Y'all see the curls and the flips and the curls. You're probably wondering how I got here. Hey y'all, it's Jaila, aka JaiChanellie on the internet. Welcome back to my channel and hit that subscribe button to join almost 20,000 of us over here, period. I'm coming to you with a wig review. It's been a long time on my channel, but I'm ready to get back into the synthetic wigs. I was going for a 70s hair vibe moment, so we went ahead and picked up this wig by Outre. It is their perfect hairline, and this is Julianne. It's supposed to have HD lace, body yaddy yaddy, so we're gonna see what it's given, okay? If you're interested in this video, go ahead and keep on watching. If you didn't already know, your girl did used to be really heavy on the wig reviews. I'll go ahead and leave my playlist linked above. I have already reviewed a wig from this Outre Perfect hairline. I believe it was Shanice, which is like a yappy, kinky straight unit. But I'm excited to get into this one. Again, this is Outre Perfect hairline in the style Julianne. It is a 13x6 frontal wig. Supposed to be HD lace, natural baby hairs, elastic band, pre-plucked hairline, and heat styling friendly. Those are all the claims. If you're looking for a direct link to this wig and where I purchased specifically, I'll go ahead and leave it linked in my description box below. So without further ado, let's go ahead and open up this unit. Hold on now. So just so you know, this is what the stock card is looking like. And the stock card is given. First things first, straight out of the packaging. Again, the flips is flipping. It's very soft, very smooth, but not baby doll smooth. So I'm very happy with that. It's not as kinky as Shanice. This is what the lace is looking like. It's interesting that they call this HD lace because it actually looks kind of tinted to me. It looks like it's tinted a light brown, but this is what the lace is looking like. Okay, lace, okay. It looks pre-plucked to me, and of course y'all can see these egregious baby hairs right here. Cap construction. So this is your parting area. Pretty nice parting area in the middle. There's a comb on both sides of the lace. One comb in the back. Ooh, an elastic, like a real elastic strap. I like that. I like that. And then, you know, like these little regular elastic straps. I am going to go ahead and put this on straight out the pack so y'all can see what it's looking like. Now, if y'all don't already know about me and my hairline, I do have a pretty low hairline. So wigs usually never, ever, ever cover my hairline, and they usually can never, ever, ever be glued down. This is what it's looking like on me fresh out the pack. It's giving 70s, okay? She got a little Farrah Fawcett situation going on. Does she like it? Not really. Yeah, no, those combs hurt a lot. Wow, actually. Maybe I don't remember how to do this. Yeah, I think I'm gonna like bangs better. Whoa, hold on. So what I think we're gonna do is cut bangs. Okay, friends, let's go ahead and cut it. I see the potential. Do y'all see the potential? Yeah, yeah. Now we're doing something. We're doing something right here. Okay, I'm gonna take a smaller section. You're probably wondering how I got here. The last time I cut bangs on my channel, yeah, it kind of came out like this. It was giving, I'm not sure. Wait, I actually like this. Again, I could pull it down more, but I don't want it in my eyes like that. Let me know what y'all think in the comment section below. I actually really like this, and I feel like if I cut the whole unit, maybe like right here, it could give even more, but I also like the length on it. I don't know. The bangs are a little short, and they're definitely not gonna be for everyone, but I do think they're gonna be for me. I mean, I'm definitely gonna have to play around with it a little bit more because it's very much giving like soccer mom, 60s, 70s mod. Like, I own a very brightly colored refrigerator. Y'all will be seeing this wig on me for the next couple of videos. I'm gonna play around with it a little more. So if you're interested to see what the final result is, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Also, like this video so YouTube can share with other people. Make sure you hit that notification bell, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye.